Hi everyone, I'm Kusma from First MPCS. Today our topic is data types. What is data type? A data type is a type of data. Data type is a data storage format that can contain a specific type or range of values. Data types in C refers to an extensive system used for declaring variable for function of different types. The type of a variable determines how much space it occupies in storage and how the bit pattern stored in interpreted. We can store integer, character, float, etc. Data types are classified into three types: primitive data types or basic data types, and derived data types and user defined data types. Basic data types are again classified into five types. They are character, int, float, double, void. Derived data types are classified into three types. They are array, pointer, function. User-defined data types are classified into three types. They are enum, structure, union. Integer data type. This data type specifies only numerical values without decimals, and these variables are declared with int. Size of the integer data type: signed short int 2 bytes, short int 2 bytes, long int 4 bytes, unsigned int 2 bytes, unsigned long int 4 bytes. Float data type. This data type allows variables store integer part and fraction part with single precision. It declared with keyword known as float. Double data type. It stores fraction part with double precision. It declared with the keyword known as double. Size of float data type: 4 bytes. Range -3.4e -38 to 3.4e plus 38. Size of double data type: 8 bytes. Range -1.7e -308 to 1.7e plus 308. Character data type. It is used to store character data enclosed between single quotes. Size of character data type: 1 byte. Range -128 to 127. Void data type. Void means valueless. Void is mainly used for functions. Derived data types. These are derived from basic data types. Limited number of problems can be solved by using primary data types. Derived data types are needed to solve complex problems. Complex data types are derived from primary data types. Derived data types available in C languages are given below. Array data type. An array is a data structure which allows a collective name to be given to a group of elements which all have the same type. An individual element of an array is defined by its own unique index or subscript. Functions. A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. Every C++ program has at least one function, which is main function, and all the most trivial programs can define additional functions. Pointer. Pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable. Like any variable or constant, you must declare a pointer before you can work with it. The general form of a pointer variable declaration is string data type. The most common use of personal computers is word processing. Text is represented in programs by the string data type. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed within quotation marks or apostrophes. User-defined data types. The data type defined or created by the user using basic data types are known as user-defined data types. Structured data type. Example: struct introduces the definition for struct student. Student is the structure name and it is used to declare variables of the structure type. Union data type. The union is a construct that allows memory to be shared by different types of data. This redefinition of be as simple as declaring an integer as 4 characters or as complex as declaring an entire structure. Unions are collection of different data types grouped together under a single variable name for convenient handling. Type definition. It is a user-defined data type used to name a new data type with existing data type. Syntax. Type definition: existing data type, new data type. Clarifies definition may be used to rename any more readable code, portability across platforms, convenience in naming. Enumerated data type. This is user-defined data type to assign constant values particular variables. Declaring an enumerated type. To declare an enumerated type, declare its identifier and its values. Operations are same as for integers because it is derived from the integer type.